The best food truck? We offer trailers in a wide range of sizes, and all designs and configurations can be customized to meet your requirements. Let me show you some details. This food trailer is equipped with 3 sinks, 3 hot and cold water faucets, 2 paper towel dispensers, a soap dispenser, a push-pull mobile salad bar, top storage racks, an electric oven, a dishwasher, 2 rotisserie ovens, a fryer, a griddle, external storage racks, lights above the window, 2 rooftop air conditioners, and 2 large chimneys. The interior of the trailer is also equipped with facilities such as lights, wiring, and sockets, and enough space has been reserved for you to install other equipment. If you are interested, please contact us for more detailed information.